Okay. So hopefully I explained that okay. Again, it's kind of tough without actually being able to walk through one with you. But anyways, now I'm going to go over some tips on how you can maximize your spotlight order to get the most out of what you're ordering with us. A little planning and effort and organization can actually make your spotlight listings a lot better. A lot of agents will just order spotlight listings and just forget about it. And that's fine. You can do that too. Like I understand if people have a lot on their plate and don't have the time, but you can squeeze that extra bit out of it by planning everything out, getting your timings down, and making sure you capitalize. And this is an important part, capitalize on the interest that a fresh listing gets. So timing is extraordinarily important when you're listing a home. Here's a uh, sample of a little bit of our data here of how many views you get on the first few days or a few couple of weeks the listings in the market. And then the important thing is like you don't need to look at the numbers here so much as the amount of interest that you get on day one compared to day two or day three even, right? It's this massive spike, and you want to make sure you capitalize on it because in most cases like 90% of your traffic is going to be coming in on those first couple of days when it's a new listing on the internet. That's like obviously why a lot of agents do relists, right? It's one of the strategies there. So you want to make sure that everything is perfect on day one or as good as possible. You don't want to rush to market. It always amazes me how many agents do that, rush to the market. And there's always that pressure from the clients to get it up on online. And the best thing to do is to make sure you temper that, make sure that they understand that it's more important to like wait that extra day or two to make sure everything's prepared before going to the market. Like how many times have you seen a fresh listing on MLS with like no photos, just like this sample one I've got here, right? Like at Homania, like I see it all the time where an agent will order one of our marketing packages for listing like after it's already on the market. And that's also fine too. Sometimes you don't have a choice. But that means the listing's going to be on the market for a day or two, or maybe even more without photos, without a great marketing package, or maybe just like a front of house photo or something you snapped with your your iPhone or whatever. Now, I don't know the statistics on lead conversion for this, but I can tell you with a pretty high degree of certainty that these potentially like hundreds or more viewers that come across your listing without decent pictures, they've already lost interest and moved on, right? You've lost out on a ton of viewership, a lot of exposure, and it's very likely the final selling price, or maybe this is going to sit in the market and be stale forever, right? Like this is the difference between a listing that sells on day one with multiple offers and one that sits on the market for weeks. So make sure you have that conversation with your client. Tell them why it's important. I'm sure you can convince them to wait the extra couple of days if you frame it like this. So the big takeaway from this is order Spotlight well in advance. And you know what? This doesn't just apply to Spotlight. This applies to anyone, even if you're not using Spotlight, right? You order if you order our marketing packages a few days in advance, even a week in advance if you can, right? More time the better. While we get things up and running like really fast, we've done it within the same day before. You'll find it a lot less stressful if you extend this time frame. There might be like a snowstorm on the day of your scheduled photo shoot, or the client might not be able to get the home ready in time for photography. That happens all the time. There's a million things that can go wrong that's out of anyone's control, right? So the more buffer time you have to make sure you can accommodate those issues, the less stressed everyone's going to be, less stressed your client's going to be, less stressed you're going to be. So if you can plan to have everything up and online a couple days before it hits the market, not only is it going to alleviate that stress because you know everything's ready, just at the click of a button to go, it gives you time to account for that unexpected. But it's also going to give Google more time and opportunity to properly index your site for search, which is really important. I'm going to get to it in a second. So please don't get caught with your pants down the first day going to the market. Really important.